Jake Palmer Remax here. I'm at 385 Duke Street West, and I'm going to shoot the second video to give you the lower unit. So we're in the sun porch right now, going into the front door. And when you come in here, you've got a bit of an office space right here, off to the side. Nice, big, bright living room. Hardwood floors throughout. Another view of that office space. Just a nice little reading nook or office. Dining room space. As you'll see from the unit upstairs, there's a big opportunity here if you want a big dining room table. There's certainly plenty of space for it. Double closets over to the side here. And here's bedroom 1. Windows behind the curtain there. But nice big bedroom. Easily fit a queen size bed in there. Closets around the corner. Another view of that dining room space. Another closet over here. This one's got a nice big kitchen, so easily neat-in kitchen. Lots of room here for a nice big table. Plenty of cabinet space. Kind of a pantry closet over here. So again, looking in the hallway, the sink's over in the corner there. Full bathroom. And so the bathroom in the lower unit has laundry in it. Flusher on the corner there. But a nice big tub, really nice bright bathroom. Second bedroom is off the kitchen. So nice large bedroom there. And then the back porch, back entrance. And so it's also got tons of storage space back here. So obviously a lot of room if you want to use this as a mudroom space. And then this is the back door that leads out to the parking and the back porch here. And again, really nice big open backyard as well with lots of parking. So that concludes the video tour for the lower unit at 385 Duke Street. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. I can be reached at 650-0092. Thanks very much.